In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link boards in Monday.com. Linking boards is a powerful way to keep related work connected without constantly jumping back and forth or duplicating information. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect boards, choose the right type of sync, and optionally pull in data from one board to another, all in a clean and organized way. First, open the main board where you want the connection to live. This is usually the board you're working from most often, like a main project board or a high-level overview. Look to the far right side of your existing columns. You'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon to add a new column. From the list of column types that appears, choose the option called Connect Boards. This is the special column that allows you to create links between different boards in your account. When you select Connect Boards, a blue pop-up will appear on your screen. In that pop-up, click on Select Board. This will open a list of all the boards you have access to. Take a moment here to pick the board that actually holds the items you want to reference. For example, you might link a projects board to a resources board or a high-level roadmap to a detailed tasks board. Once you've chosen the correct board, confirm your selection. Next, you'll be asked to choose how the sync should work. You'll see an option for a two-way connection. If you want the link to automatically appear on both boards, make sure you select this two-way connection. That means when an item on your main board is connected to an item on the second board, that second board will also show the relationship back to the first. This keeps everything in sync and makes navigation much easier for your whole team. With the column created and the board selected, you can now start connecting individual items. Click into any cell in your new Connect Boards column. A panel will open that lets you browse and select specific items from the board you just linked. Choose the relevant item or items that relate to that row. You can link multiple items if needed, depending on how your workflow is set up. Once you've connected at least one item, Monday.com will offer an additional option, adding a mirror column. This step is optional, but very helpful. A mirror column lets you display specific data from the linked board, such as status, dates, owners, or numbers, directly in your main board. If you decide to add it, choose which field or fields you want to mirror, and they'll update automatically as the original board changes. And that's it. You've successfully linked boards in Monday.com and set yourself up for a more connected, efficient workflow.